Ah, you're looking for a smarter, more efficient way to invest. Do you feel like your investment portfolio could be working harder for you? In today's rapidly changing financial landscape, finding stable yet profitable investment options can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Many investors stick to what they know, often missing out on incredible opportunities for growth and security. Traditional investment paths can be complex, filled with confusing jargon and hidden fees, leaving you wondering if you're truly getting the best deal. What if there was a way to cut through the noise and directly access high-quality fixed-income opportunities designed to maximize your returns? Nors. Imagine a world where your investments are not only secure, but also consistently delivering impressive yields. Picture a platform that simplifies the entire process, making sophisticated investment strategies accessible to everyone. That's the future we're building, and it's called Better Vantage by Saga Business. We're here to introduce you to a new era of fixed-income investing. Say goodbye to the old, complicated methods and hello to a streamlined, transparent, and powerful way to grow your wealth. We believe that everyone deserves the chance to achieve their financial goals. And with Better Vantage, that possibility is now within your reach. Stay with us to discover how you can revolutionize your investment strategy and unlock your portfolio's true potential. So, what exactly is fixed income investing? Traditionally, it involves lending money to an entity, like a corporation or government, in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of the principal amount at a future date. It's often seen as a cornerstone of a balanced portfolio, providing stability and predictable cash flow. However, the old way of accessing these investments often involved intermediaries, high barriers to entry, and a lack of transparency. You might have felt disconnected from your actual investment, unsure of where your money was truly going, or what returns you were actually generating after all the fees were deducted. This is where the old model falls short and where Better Vantage steps in to change the game. Better Vantage by Saga Business is a groundbreaking platform that redefines fixed-income investing. We've created a direct bridge between you, the investor, and high-quality asset-backed business loans. Think of it as a direct pipeline to growth. By cutting out the traditional middlemen, we empower you to invest directly into carefully vetted businesses, securing your investment against tangible assets. This direct model not only enhances transparency, but also significantly boosts your potential returns. 2. With Better Vantage, you're not just a number in a large fund. You are a direct participant in the growth of real businesses, and you get to reap the rewards. It's a more personal, more powerful, and ultimately, a more profitable way to approach fixed income. Let's talk about the key benefits that make Better Vantage a game changer. First and foremost, maximized returns. By removing unnecessary layers and fees, more of the profit flows directly back to you. We're talking about competitive, attractive yields that are hard to find in the traditional market. Second, security is our top priority. Every investment opportunity on our platform is backed by real assets, providing a strong layer of protection for your capital. We conduct rigorous due diligence on every business we partner with, ensuring that you're investing in stable, creditworthy enterprises. Third, we champion transparency. With Better Vantage, you have a clear view of where your money is invested. You'll understand the business, the loan terms, and the assets securing it. No more confusing financial products or hidden clauses. Finally, accessibility. We've designed our platform to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it simple for both seasoned investors and newcomers to build a robust fixed-income portfolio. Getting started with Better Vantage is incredibly straightforward. Our digital platform is designed for a seamless user experience. You can browse a curated selection of investment opportunities, each with a detailed profile that includes information about the business, the loan purpose, the interest rate, and the underlying collateral. You choose the investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Once you invest, you can easily track your portfolio's performance, monitor your interest payments, and watch your wealth grow all from our secure online dashboard. We are committed to empowering you with the tools and information you need to make confident investment decisions. This is the future of fixed income investing. Simple, transparent, and powerful. You're ready to take control of your financial future and start earning the returns you deserve. Don't let outdated investment models hold you back any longer. It's time to embrace a new era of fixed income investing with Better Vantage by Saga Business. Explore a world of high-yield asset-backed opportunities and start building a stronger, more profitable portfolio today. Visit our website to learn more and to sign up. The path to smarter investing is just a click away. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.